For those who are experiencing unfair or unconstitutional treatment, for those who firmly believe in something that is being ignored or against something that is occurring in the state or federal government. You have a voice, and your voice has power. You do not need to sit on the sidelines or give up your cause. The First Amendment guarantees you freedom of assembly and petition. When you have an issue to bring to attention for legislative change, you have the right to do so. Will you? In Gregory v. Chicago, it was decided that as long as demonstrators act peacefully, the government cannot arrest them. Additionally, in National Association for the Advancement of Colored People v. Alabama, they decided that association for the advancement of beliefs is directly tied to free expression and therefore cannot be denied. When protesting, be sure that you do not incite violence, block streets, or endanger the public in any way.
I have feelings too!
Furthermore, be sure that you do not protest on private property. All across the United States, people have gathered to make their voice heard. Students have protested gun violence, dreamers have protested repealing of DACA, and teachers have protested low wages. They hope to bring change for the betterment of their country. And you can be a part of that too.
Yeah, banana rights. My potassium, not yours. My potassium, not yours.
So I'm protesting today because the United States guarantees certain rights, especially to bananas, and that is not happening. We're being discriminated against. I'm sorry, it's just really hard. And I can't go.
Banana rights.
Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have feelings too. I have feelings too.
Can I really? I'm gonna put the bananas here. Okay, I'm sponsoring the paper. Slower so they can read it.
Yoink!